Boxing Day is a holiday celebrated the day after Christmas, thus being the second day of Christmas tide.
Hello everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today I'm going to show you what everyone thinks is the best performing asset right now, probably the year. The last couple of days, the trading bot's done theoretically again. I always got to tell you, theoretically, probably in excess of about $47,000. We reached a peak here on good old. The Bitcoin got up to about 37 grand. I can show you the equity curve. It did lose about 6 grand. You know, that greed is good thing. So if I look at my Instagram account here at Instagram, quantlabs.net. So just to remind you, this will be, I'm not going to close it, but don't expect new content on it. I'm going to be looking at here. So let me show you the equity curve. This is the equity curve. Let me just play the video.
Ethereum and Bitcoin, the big mover, 16,000 over on November 11th. Look at the equity curve and how high it's gone up. Today was a pretty crazy day, $140,000 since November 11th, and we're now at Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
So how does this all work? Let me just show you this.
Good data. That total P&L right there, that's over the last hour, made 25,852. Right behind there is the bot working with the trading client, working awesome. Yesterday brought in nearly $10,000. Right now it's at 26. So you'd be well over $36,000. You can see how active it is. Bitcoin has broken through. So we're now up at 2460.
Anyways, I could go on and on with it, but it don't stop there. You can see here our Binance bot did quite well as well. The bot here, 3,000 a few days ago. Here it did well. It was like I knew it was going to be a strong night, without a doubt, and it was. And the dog says Merry Christmas to you. And here's another day of the Binance bot doing well. These bots together counteract each other. When one does not do well, it will continue. The other one does well, being between Binance and Kraken. I've talked about that numerous times. So here's Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. You can just see it's nothing but move up. The momentum is very alive in these charts. The charts don't lie. I'm sure you've heard about the momentum. If you got a board, you would have done well. Ethereum's done pretty good as well. In around here, this is where the good old I'd say in around somewhere in here where Ethereum 2 came out. Let's talk about the one that we have not talked about a lot, and that's XRP. You heard about the SEC lawsuit. You're probably a big loser. I've talked to lots of people that thought, oh yeah, big XRP is the place to be. SEC's suing them, Ripple, for selling out XRP, and look at that tank right there. So what are some of the hot coins? XMR has done quite well. It's been nothing but up as well, but that's been since August. So we are looking at 70, let's say 69, 63, all the way up to 163. So that's done well. I will expect that to continue to push higher no matter what happens, as long as the economy stays bad. This is where people will hide out in. There's probably some other private coins as well, and that's one of the reasons why that is doing fairly good. So let's look at our, starting around, you can see that 54.14 all the way up to 42,000 in a very short period of time, 2 legs up in August. That's the DeFi movement. I would expect that to potentially come around again at some time throughout the year. I do list on my Facebook again, that will not get new postings as well. and then that will should get pushed up as well. I don't know about Wi-Fi itself. This one's a fairly new coin as well. Just came out of nowhere. I've been tracking this. If I have my Binance bot, this is the current winner, ZIL, and it's been straight up nothing but. This is a very profitable coin. Also, when you look at Stellar's not done great. I mean, it's done well from 8 cents to 21 cents, but it's been nothing but trending down. But here's another big winner that's starting to prove I do think that this is starting to outperform Bitcoin, and it may continue as well from $50 all the way up to $132. That's been a very strong coin as well. Bitcoin Cash has been struggling as well. So right now, if I was to tell you which ones to watch out of the big 10, 20, Ethereum is looking good. Wi-Fi again, but this one, ZIL, is doing really well. XML, no. Litecoin, yes. USDT, which may perform as well because of Binance as well. Everything's building Binance. You can see it's been moving up, but with some leg pullbacks. But when you get these kind of charts, you know where to be. Okay, so leave it at that. If you like what you see here, let me just show you what's going on. The source code walkthrough for the trading client will be posted today or tonight. And that's going to be available once I'm happy with the server test. I'll gladly release that for people, so they'll be able to get set up as well for the quant analytics service as well. What's happening is, if you want to be part of that, just come over to quantlabs.net/questions. We need to talk on the specifics on what you want, your goals. Get those answers to me right here ASAP to get that set up, and you'll be able to, with the new trading client, be able to get your trading automatically done. So we'll leave it at that, and we shall talk to you soon, and have a good day. Again, quantlabs.net/questions if you want to learn more. Over and out. Have a good day.